Butter's celebrating her 5th birthday. Now she's taking a bath, and it's her first time. We're using a hair dryer to blow her up. Butter's drying herself while Mommy's brushing her. Now we're on the way to the veterinary clinic, and Butters keep on disturbing my dad while we're going there.
Can you just go down the water?
Butter!
Get down, Butter.
Get down! I said get down, I'm serious.
And Butter wants to join driving the car because she thinks it's fun.
Hey, don't block my view. What are you doing? Do you want to drive?
She got her booster shot, and this is her passport with all her medical clinics, and Dad is cleaning her litter box. And now he's using soap to clean it. He's scrubbing it too. Now it's all cleaned. He's putting all the sand. Now Butters, they're about to do her business. Do you know what's business, guys? Give her some privacy. Now she's digging the litter box. Now she's finished. Butter sleeps everywhere, like in the bed, again in the bed, also again there, in the laundry basket too. She is like playing in the counter, sleeping again in the bed with BTS, and now on the table. Now on my mom's office chair. Now she's lying down on the printer. Now she's lying down on the floor. Now it's eating time for Butter. Welcome to Wonder Joelle Season. A lot of dogs and cat lovers around the world are willing to spend their time with one another. Most are enjoying the companionship, going for walks, playing, and even talking to them. There is also evidence suggesting that attachment to pet is good for human health. So join us today as I was given an opportunity to interview one of the kitten owners near the beautiful city of Abu Dhabi. Phew, that was a long flight. You were waiting for me the whole time? I was here the whole time, waiting for you. Shall we begin? Can you tell me all about your cat? Well, her name is Butter. She just turned 5 months old. She is a Persian breed with two colors, gray and white. She white on her paws and her nose too, and the rest is gray. How old is your kitten when you first saw her? Well, she was 3 months old and very tiny. Are you disturbing your kitten when she's sleeping? I'll let her rest so I won't have a hard time doing my school activities, or else she'll continuously disturb me. What are you doing when she wakes up? After she's doing her business like eating and peeing, I have plenty of time to play with her. Do you let your kid eat any real food? You should only give the food that is suitable for her, like the Royal Canin packed with nutrients. Or else if you give her any human food, she'll get sick. Are you disturbing her when she's eating? You should not disturb her when she's eating, or else she will get distracted or she will not finish her food. And I don't want her to get annoyed at me. When is her birthday? Her birthday is March 28, 2021. Will you give her a bath? We already give her a bath and she's keep on meowing because she does not like the water. We only give her a quick bath because she's still a kid. What does a Persian have to do? Well, she's active but likes to sleep most of the day. She is a very loving kitten who loves attention. What advice can you give to your viewers about taking care of a kitten? Love your kitten. Be responsible. You need to make sure that her food tray is always clean with fresh water daily. The litter box must be clean as well because your pet would not like the smell of their own poop and pee. You need to make sure that you have plenty of time to play with her, and a pet like ours should be combed daily because our cat has long and thick fur. Our cat loves to explore and play around your house, so let her do that and never use her finger to play with her, or else she'll think that it's a toy. She might bite or scratch you. There you have it. Thank you so much for joining us, Joelle. Stay safe. You too. Back to school. How was your school? Well, it was great and I made lots of friends. How did Butter? Can I see her? Do you want to see Butter? Thank you so much for watching Wonder Joelle's News Flash. See you in my next vlog. Bye guys!